Hi, it's me again. We're back to read more about Jack. Jack and his teacher, Miss Stretchberry, and his thoughts about poetry. Who's Jack writing to when he's writing in his journal? Do you know? He's always talking about you and they and all that. Who's he talking about? So I hope you're thinking about that while I'm reading. Okay, let's get the reading going. November 6th. They look nice, typed up like that on blue paper on a yellow board. But still, don't tell anyone who wrote that, okay? And does anonymous mean, what does anonymous mean? Is it good? November 9th. I don't have any pets, so I can't write about one. And especially, I can't write a poem about one. November 15th. Yes, I used to have a pet. I don't want to write about it. You're going to ask me, why not? Right? November 22nd. Pretend I still have that pet? Can't I make up a pet? A different one? Like a tiger? Or a hamster? A goldfish? Turtle? Snail? Worm? Flea? November 29th. I like those small poems we read today. When they're small like that, you can read a whole bunch in a short time. And then in your head are all the pictures of all the small things from all the small poems. I liked how the kitten leaped in the cat poem and how you could see the long head of the horse in the horse poem. I liked the dog in the dog poem because that's just how my yellow dog used to lie down with his tongue all limp and his chin between his paws, and how he'd sometimes chomp at a fly and then sleep in his loose skin, just like that poet, Miss Valerie Worth, says in her small poem. Ah, let's go to Miss Valerie Worth's poem and read it. You're going to like it. I think you're going to like it. Okay, here's Miss Valerie Worth. And the name of her poem is Dog. I'll read it and you can follow along. Dog. Under a maple tree, the dog lies down, lulls his limp tongue, yawns, rests his long chin carefully between front paws, looks up, alert, chops with heavy jaws at a slow fly, blinks, rolls on his side, sighs, closes his eyes, sleeps all afternoon in his loose skin. I like that poem. It kind of reminds me of my own dog. Maybe it reminds you of your dog or another pet that just kind of sleeps the afternoon away and they get so relaxed and cuddly and you just want to hold them. I really got a good image in my head with that one. And so did Jack. Jack said that too. Okay, December 4th. Why do you want to type up what I wrote about reading the small poems? It's not a poem, is it? I guess you can put it on the board if you want to, but don't put my name on it in case other people think it's not a poem. December 13th. I guess it does look like a poem when you see it typed up like that. But I think maybe it would look better if there were more space between the lines, like how I wrote it the first time. And I like the picture of the yellow dog you put beside it. But that's not how my yellow dog looked. We're going to stop there already at the end of December. So today we just read November and December in Jack's journal. Hope you enjoyed the dog poem. I was fond of it. Get ready for another reading tomorrow. Bye.